Okay, let me be serious now. Bienvenidos a mi tiny, mighty cocina kitchen, the Mexican kitchen. I'm open for business. Not really. I'm just open. I like the sign. I love neon lights. My dream is to have a farm-to-table restaurant. Nombre es Theresa. Theresa Meza. Esta es mi mesa. Soy de Jamaica. Vivo aquí en Mexico. What will I be cooking today? I will be cooking brown stew chicken. Here I have the ingredients prepped already and marinated. We're going to prepare brown stew chicken with Mexican corn rice. So that's what I'll be preparing today. And first, I am going to start with the corn rice because that takes about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to have the chicken, prepare the chicken afterward because that's going to take about an hour and so. So let's get into it. Oh, this is a marinated Mexican chicken. So what I did, I created a green seasoning, which entails onion, garlic, cebolla, a little bit of oil, marinated chicken overnight. I prepared the sauce and that, not sauce, but that marinade can be used in a lot of things, to season a lot of things. The Caribbean, it's called green seasoning, Caribbean green seasoning, and there are different variations. Some has ginger. This one didn't have ginger. I didn't put ginger in this. Let's get into preparing the... I'm going to use a rice cooker. You can do it on the stove top, but the rice cooker is sort of precise and it gives you the time. You don't really have to do much. But what I'm doing right here, I'm warming the pot. I'm going to put coconut oil. I'm going to saute the garlic and the onion with a bit of the corn. And then I'm going to add the rice as well. I'm going to toast it as well. And then I'm going to add water to it. I use a lot of coconut oil and coconut milk. And with coconut milk, I make from scratch, or if not, I buy. But this is coconut oil we're using. Parental guidance. So the pot is getting a little bit hot. You can see a little steam coming. I washed the pot. So I'm going to go in with oil. So we're going in with 1 tablespoon of oil. It looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. It only looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. I promise you, it's not a lot. Yeah, we're waiting for this to come to temperature. And I am putting the... No, I don't cook this every day. When I'm feeling nice or someone special is coming over like you, I cook something Jamaicanish. It is normal for people to cook this in Jamaica. But in Mexico, I don't do this every day. I do it for my business, to introduce people to Jamaican food. Do you hear that sizzle? You hear it's coming to temperature. Continue sizzling, and then I'm gonna add the rice and do the same as well. How do I know to cook Mexican corn rice? The abuelas. I don't remember where I was, and this lady invited me in to show me how to cook, prepare tortilla and this rice. Back in the days when Mexicans were tolerant of foreigners, I used to get special treatment from the abuelas. Right now is a sensitive time in the city with a lot of foreigners. We're all lumped in as the same, that we come here and make changes, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So now we add the rice. We're toasting. I don't know about the Mexican abuela who taught me this. They toast the rice and then add water or caldo de pollo, but I'm not going to add caldo de pollo. I'm just going to add water. This smells good and there's nothing but rice, corn, onion, and garlic. Well, when I was in Jamaica and I had dogs that lives outside the house, yes, I do. So we're going in with our water now. We're going to let this cook for 20 minutes. Next, what we're going to prepare is the chicken that I had marinated. It's brown stew chicken, so I need to braise it so it's brown a little, not where it's toasty like charred. And then I'm gonna put it back in the pot. So when I brown it, I'm gonna put it here and just continue the process, and then we add these in. So we need to have oil in the pot. Once it's come to a temperature, then we start the braising. We use coconut oil for a lot of things, Well, I use coconut oil for a lot of things. So I need to get rid of some of the seasoning. Now, after doing that, I'm gonna put this and let it brown. And we don't need to overcrowd the pot. I cook for 4. So I portion it out so their food doesn't go to waste. So we let this brown. don't want my t-shirt to be messy. I should be wearing an apron, but you know what? I should get an apron. Someone gave it to me. I think she went to on a trip and she saw this and think of me. That's the story behind this apron. Because I have so much apron as gift, I don't want to call the name, and if they see this video, they're like, you don't remember? I think I am a good friend, yes. Why not? I am a good friend. I might be a hard friend, but I'm a good friend.
At this moment, we're going to take out the chicken. And in the meantime, put it here on the pan cover to rest.
So this is the last bit. We're gonna go back in. So all this goodness here, I'm gonna add water to it and then pour it in with the potato, carrot, and then this goes in for last. But we have to taste as we go and adjust. Oh, wow. So this is almost finished. Browning, we're gonna go in with everything now. After marinating, we brown it and then we're gonna put it back in the pot with some liquid and some vegetables so it cooks down for like an hour and a half. So I go in with the carrots. We're gonna... Oh, the pot is too small, my love. The pot is too small. The pot is too small. This is goodness, so we don't want to throw this away. What we want is, we're gonna cover this. We need to put enough liquid to cover everything. Ay, mami. Ooh la la. Cuidado, cuidado, cuidado. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then we are going to cover and let this stay. Cover it and leave it on low to simmer. Rice is finished. I'm gonna do a taste test. Of course, there's no salt, but that it's cooked is what I'm checking for. This is too much taste in it. Yeah, we're gonna clean up the kitchen now. Hey, 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 welcome back. So we have this simmering on low and we're going to do a taste test. Also with the veggies, if they're cooked or not. So yeah, 30 minutes, we need the veggies to be cooked. And then we're gonna taste if the pot needs more flavoring. We need salt. Say salt. If salt was a thing, oh my goodness, we need salt. Listen, I can't even say come and taste this because there's nothing to go excited about. So we're gonna go in with everything and a bit of salt as well. And of course, let it simmer down some more and then taste again. So I'm putting this so I can add this all to the pot and then mix it around so it's incorporated.
So here I'm adding ketchup. In the ketchup, I have paprika and cayenne to add a little sweet and a little bit of kick with a little bit of smoke, and we should have a yummy pot.
Oh, it smells good. So good. So I'm trying to mix it around so it's incorporated. Everybody get to know each other. We're mixing them so they get to know each other a little bit better. How is that? And then I'll put this back here. Are we friends? Are we friends? They're saying, yeah, we friends. We know each other. Some smoked salt. Aki. Yeah, and then we're gonna cover it up and let them get to know each other a bit better. And we bring the heat to a medium. And of course, your girl likes to clean up as she go. See you in 30 minutes. The kitchen smells so good. I wish this camera right here had smelly vision. Smelly vision? I don't know if that sounds right, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. Oh, Dios mío, mamma mia. Are we ready to taste? Oh, Dios mío, mamma mia. Ooh. It's a little spicy. It's a little smoky. It's a little salty. Salty. I'm not salted. I hope you love it. It's delicious. Ooh, the spice is a little in the back, but yeah, it's delicious. This is brown stew chicken, and it's gonna be served with Mexican corn rice. And we are done. I'm gonna go plating and then show you the finished product. I'm gonna serve you. Do you want more?
I'm okay with that.
I want more. I want enough food. Do you hear all the drama? And Diego? Oh my goodness. Oh, no manches. I'm gonna go for her. But after this, I have to. And this we have, my love, brown stew chicken served with Mexican corn rice. And scene. Provechito. Remember to add the salt, eh? Provecho. I hope you like it. Bye.